welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how your new mother can pamper yourself with of course taking care of your child. Since our childhood, we've seen our mothers, nurturing us, feeding us, taking care of us, but they really ignore themselves, their health, everything that it is about them, they ignore it. So what I feel that there should be a balance between these two things. With taking care of your child, you should take care of yourself also. And for that, you should know how to manage your time between yourself and your child. So I'll tell you what I do and how I manage my time with myself and Avya. So starting from the morning, when Avya wakes up, she has a breakfast with me. After a while, she goes in for her massage. As she's 15 months old, she gets her massage done daily. So it takes around 35 to 40 minutes to get her massage done. And that is the time that I take out time for my workout. So I open my fitness app, I open my speakers, I get on my gym clothes, and I do my workout. So for 35 to 40 minutes, without missing out time with Avya, I can do my workout. This is how I manage it. And after my workout and after her massage is done, we have our quality time. We share our fruit juices, we share our fruits, we do board games, we do reading, we do running, all kind of activities. We both are really energetic at that time, as she's back from her massage and I'm back from my workout, and I love that time with her. Whenever I'm bathing her, I ensure that I do not miss on my face pack. So, Avya is used to see myself in a face pack whenever I'm bathing her. What I do is I just put on any mask, any homemade mask or any ready-made mask. And it takes around 15 to 20 minutes to make Avya ready with all the bathing and dressing up. I bathe her myself, I dress up her myself because I love to do it. But I also love to take care of my skin. So what I do is I put up a mask and then I bathe her and get her ready. And so that is how I take care of my skin. And I try to keep it alternating. So one day I'll put a hair pack, one day I'll put a face pack. I do my hair spas at home, and this quarantine time, I think everybody's at home. All you working mothers are also at home. You can also try this. In the afternoon, she takes her a 1 or a 2 hour nap, and that is the time when I do my work. For example, like I have to shoot a video or I have to edit my stuff. That is the time when I am able to do my work really peacefully, because she is asleep and I can really concentrate on my work at that time. Try to avoid using mobile phones and laptops and televisions in front of her. I really don't want Avya to be using mobile phones and laptops at this age. So I try to do it all whenever she's asleep. She's awake and then it's her playtime, and I ensure that she watches her rhymes. Like for half an hour she watches her rhymes. That there is a time that I've dedicated for television. So whenever she's watching her rhymes, and that's the time that in case if I want to read something, in case if I want to cook something, I will do it at that time. So little things that you can do to manage your time if you want to take out time for yourself. And I love doing both of the things. I want to give my full time to Avya as well as I want to give my time to myself also. This is how I manage my work, my workout, and my skincare. All these little things really helps us stay positive from inside out. That's what I feel. My child, she's used to see me in a hair mask and a face mask or a sheet mask, and she thinks it's absolutely normal. Their mama is doing her hair straightening, mama is doing her makeup. So she thinks that all these things are a part of my life, and I want her to feel in that way that you should take care of yourself. Never miss out on your workouts, never miss out on your skincare, your hair care, your health care. If you enjoy cooking, you do it. If you enjoy dancing, you do it. You just try to involve it with your child. Try to do your activities including your child. If you like to dance, include your child in the dance. If you like to cook, include your child in your cooking. And in case you want to do a workout, manage the time when your child is busy. This is how you can stay happy inside out, stay positive inside out. You can take out time for yourself, for your work, and not ignoring your child. So I hope you like this video, and if you please like it, do hit the like button, do hit the subscribe button, and I'll be bringing more of lovely videos to share with you guys. If you want to watch any topics related to motherhood or any kind of lifestyle that I follow, please leave in the comment section so that I can bring a video on it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.